Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 3 over x minus 1. And we are looking for what is f of negative 1. What does this mean? This means the value of f of x when x is equal to negative 1. And the easiest way to do this is just to plug in negative 1. The only thing we have to worry about is the denominator can't equal 0. So x minus 1 can't equal 0 because then you'd be dividing by 0, which is not allowed. And x minus 1 is not equal to 0 if x is not equal to 1. So we're plugging in x is equal to negative 1, so we don't actually have to worry about this, and we will not get an undefined, we won't be dividing by 0 when we plug in negative 1. So f of negative 1 is equal to, now the simplest way to do this, we just plug in negative 1 every time we see x. So x squared becomes negative 1 squared, minus 6 times x is 6 times negative 1, plus 3, over x is negative 1, minus 1. And now we just simplify this. So negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 6 times negative 1 becomes a positive plus 6, and then plus 3 at the end, over negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10 over negative 2, which means this is negative 10 over positive 2, right? Bringing the negative out. 10 over 2 is 5, so this is negative 5. So the value of f of negative 1, if this is f of x, is negative 5, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.